Audible app not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, let's go ahead and make sure that our Audible app is updated. Head over to your Play Store and search for Audible. If you see update instead of open, then tap on update and update your app. Once you do so, head over to your settings. Here, scroll below onto apps and again search for Audible. Tap onto your app, and under App Info, you will see the option of storage. Tap onto it and tap on Clear Data. Before that, make sure that you know your credentials, then tap on Delete. Now come back and check if this works for you. If it's still not working, then long tap onto your Audible app, tap on Uninstall and tap on OK. Once done, reinstall it again from your Play Store or your App Store and get logged into your account, and that shall definitely work. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.